join me on another off-grid adventure. This week we're in Thirlmere. So you've probably seen in the title, Infinity Pool. Now this is where you start at the Thirlmere recreational hole. I've just put some money in the honesty box there, parked up nice and secure. So I can actually see the waterfall from the bottom. So if you're heading here and wondering whereabouts the waterfall is, just look up and believe me, you'll see it. And the amount of people up there, I may go further up and see, but we'll see when we get up there. Let's get the bag, let's go. Just following this path all the way up, and I know the waterfall is over that side, so I'm going to walk up there and walk along the edge. There is a couple of routes up, but quite happy with this one. Kit, got the tent tonight, got some buffalo steaks. We're going to have a great night. Hopefully everyone disappears. Pull to myself in the morning, but we'll see. I'm not too fussed either way. There's a car park down there. All you're doing is heading uphill, and you're looking for this first fence here. Path sticks past through here, and you'll see there's a path roughly all the way up there. I'll see you at the top of there. Okay, you kind of got a flow of water that goes over, and then you just want to carry on up, and you'll get to another gate. Go through it, through that gate. You'll have a sign straight in front of you. Get to the sign, and then you want to go right. We're heading over that way. You come to this stone wall, and you basically park down there and come up this way. So go through the gate, keep the wall on your right, and it's a little bit further up. So just keep following it all the way, just keep going along. And this is a sign that you're on the right route, because there's a kind of pass, and at the top there you can see a sort of ledge. Stop here for water if you need to, cool off, but that's the sign that you're on the right way when you pass that. Just keep going. Really hugging. In fact, you can actually see the top of the stones, they do lean over. Just keep going, follow the path all the way along this road. And I say road because the road's over there. Just keep following it through. Some spectacular views over there. Also, just a warning, keep your eye out for snakes here. The adder's the only one really to worry about, but today's one of the hottest days. Tomorrow's going to be even worse. And there will be basking on top of the dirt and the hot rocks, so just keep an eye out. Saves you a little trip to the hospital. Another gate, and then you should remember rightly, there'll be a sign. Yeah, there we are. So there'll be a sign pointing upwards, or you can keep going downwards. You want to take this road up here. And basically you can start to see the tops from here, open bit, and basically you're on the right track from there. So at the top there you can see a load of people, but what you're looking for is this white path. Now what you want to do is, I don't want to spoil it, so I'm not going to film too much of this bit, but you're about to go through a gate. When you get to the gate, don't go over the bridge, stay on the left side and work your way up, and you'll end up at the pools. I like to say, I'm not going to ruin everyone's adventure of it all. First time I come here, I found it myself. It was quite fun. So like I say, once you get to this bit, you'll start to hear the waterfall on your left hand side, and I'll film the gate so you know which gate not to go through. Bridge, once you get to the wooden bridge, do not go through the gate. What you want to do is veer up that path and go all the way to the top. So after a good 10-minute climb up there through all the bracken, you'll come alongside this fence again. Basically that's where the waterfall is. But what you want to do to get to Infinity Pool is head up there and then walk across and come back down on yourself. I shall see you guys at the top. So there is a pool further down there, but people are in it. So I've got this one all to myself. Oh, can't wait to get in. Whoosh. So I've decided not to camp up the top. I did find a place for the tent, but it's too rocky. I'm not going to get a good night's sleep. Plus, I forgot my gas for the burner. And I've got buffalo steak in my bag and I really don't want to spoil it. So I've come back down to the fan. The rest of the video is going to be at the van. So I'll see you guys there. I'm just reaching the bottom now. Veg.